Breaking news. SSPDF forces desert bases in Nasser amid allegations of forced recruitment and lack of supplies. Nasser, South Sudan, in a dramatic turn of events. Nearly 800 of South Sudan People's Defense Forces SSPDF soldiers have abandoned their positions in Nasser, citing forced recruitment and inhumane conditions as key reasons for their departure. Eyewitnesses and local sources report that the troops are now heading in different directions, with some making their way toward Malakal, while others are reportedly moving into parts of Jonglei state. According to individuals who managed to speak with the deserting soldiers, many claimed they were forcibly conscripted into the military, with little to no prior notice or consent. "We were picked from our homes and taken straight to Nasser," said one soldier. "They told us we were joining the National Army, but there was no training, no briefing, and worst of all, no food." Conditions in Nasser have been described by the troops as dire, with inadequate shelter, food shortages, and lack of medical support contributing to plummeting morale. Several soldiers allege they have gone for days without proper meals, and no logistical support has been delivered to sustain their presence in the area, compounding the crisis. Soldiers stationed in the nearby area of Berbi have also voiced intentions to leave their posts. Reports suggest they are considering either returning to Nasser or making their way back to their home counties, further indicating a breakdown in the command and logistics chain of the SSPDF in the Upper Nile region. This mass desertion raises serious concerns about the state of military discipline, troop welfare, and the broader implications for national security in an already fragile region. Analysts warn that unless urgent measures are taken to address the grievances of these soldiers, further instability could ensue. The Ministry of Defense and the SSPDF headquarters in Juba have yet to issue an official statement regarding the situation. Efforts to reach military spokespersons for comment have so far been unsuccessful.
Malamu bayan beka dial tila tet ko lena bane. Mijaram kan ban kabonu magoro di channel am di subscribe. Larango ne bine kam ya jen lare chala da kata ko anu wan. Namane amiji to kanatar anwala. Deni tukur badak awai sigadian ka jideni South Sudan tinche ban kanasar kia tinche wi nasar chia kap. Kan den choi chigadian gwan chigotan ta ngat chigachot ka dup tugul ta ladano kan manjian ka o chichian ke bet telamitam kana ka wi kana banava ka bank o kana chaga tu kolon kanak katala kor michirom den choi chigadian rai denit tin ta nan kanasar ke chipwat kanasar chigadian ka dup tugul den ti chok pek den ne du kurbadak awai chigadian ta chikan mo rai deni pai to gwa chigotan Namo jan lara gone ebne no ye ka gone adayan lingatong no ara jan chalat ka to kawain nuon. Dunon tama gone no abialo da biar lingatong no ara. Ko dare choblai dun namo jan ichi tuwa wajan waron wangama. Gata mai.